Airlines are hiding things from you. Not just little hacks, but real insider knowledge that crews live by every day. Secrets that can save you hundreds on your next trip, make your flight infinitely more comfortable, and even boost your safety. After this, you'll never look at flying the same way again. Stick around for secret number 9. It's something every passenger has a legal right to, but airlines almost never volunteer unless you know the exact magic words to ask. Let's dive in and expose what they don't want you to know. 9. Incognito mode is a myth. Here's what actually moves the price needle. You think you're clever. Open incognito, clear cookies, search again, boom, cheaper flight. Sorry, but in 2026, that does almost nothing. Airlines have moved way beyond cookies. They use device fingerprinting, your screen resolution, installed fonts, browser plugins, even how your mouse moves to ID your device across sessions. IP address tracking ignores private mode too. But the real kicker, prices don't spike because of your searches. Dynamic pricing algorithms track real-time global demand, how many others are viewing the same route, seat inventory dropping, fuel costs fluctuating. When hundreds search a Peshawar Islamabad or Peshawar Dubai flight during Eid rush, prices rise for everyone, not just you. Airlines love the incognito myth. It keeps you distracted while missing real savings. True secrets to cheaper fares. Flexibility wins. Shift dates by 1 to 2 days. Use Google Flights calendar or check nearby airports, e.g. fly into Islamabad instead of Peshawar for international legs. Tools like Hopper or Skyscanner predict drops. Book midweek, 2s or 1s for lower demand. ProMove, set price alerts 2-3 months out. Data shows biggest drops 21 to 60 days before departure for international routes. 8. The best time to fly advice is oversimplified. Route-specific hubs rule. Everyone says book morning flights to avoid delays. Logical, right? Fresh plane, fewer prior issues. But it's dangerously incomplete in 2026's hub and spoke world. Major carriers funnel traffic through banks, waves of arrivals, departures at hubs. Example, Delta's Atlanta hub slams 6 to 9 a.m. One fog delay cascades 30-plus flights. United's Denver, quieter mornings, afternoon chaos from West Coast connections. Weather patterns matter. Florida thunderstorms hit afternoons, San Francisco fog grounds mornings until 10 a.m. In United States to Middle East, Dubai DXB peaks 2 to 6 a.m. in evenings. Morning flights from Peshawar often smoother. Doha DOH similar with Qatar Airways waves. Real strategy, use FlightAware or Cirium historical data for your exact flight number route. Check on-time performance last 30 days. Avoid hub rush hours, e.g. skip 7 to 10 a.m. departures from big hubs. Bonus, early flights still win overall, 81% plus on time 6 to 10 a.m. per recent DOT data, but cross-check your specific itinerary. 7. Your airline app is a hidden rebooking superpower, the magic word secret. Most use the app for boarding pass only. Big mistake. When delays, cancellations hit, crowds rush counters. Wait 1 to 2 hours. Open the app instead. Major carriers, Emirates, Qatar, PIA, Delta, have self-rebooking tools. See alternatives, switch flights in 30 seconds. Push notifications beat gate announcements by minutes. You're at new gate while others panic. Real magic for compensation. Airlines rarely volunteer CAS rights. US DOT, involuntary bump equals PASH up to $1,550. 400% one-way fare for long delays. EU 261 for Europe flights or carriers, up to €600 plus meals plus hotel. Pakistan CAA similar for domestic and international. Secret phrase, I'd like to claim denied boarding compensation under DOT EU 261 rules. Agents must comply. Vouchers are cheaper for them. Demand cash plus rebooking. App bonus, real-time bag tracking, meal vouchers, hotel links during disruptions. 6. Pack for problems, not just clothes. Crew knows the real risks. Your list, clothes, toiletries. Smart travelers add power bank. Plane outlets fail often, especially older PIA or Emirates configs. Dead phone equals no pass or maps. Disinfectant wipes. Tray tables and seatbelt buckles rarely sanitized between flights. Studies show 8 times more bacteria than lav flush. Empty water bottle. Cabin drier than a desert. Dehydration hits fast. Fill free post-security. Fountains everywhere. 2 pens. Customs forms chaos. One runs out, other borrowed. Extra. Compression socks for long hauls, swelling. Noise-canceling headphones for crying kids. Crew tip. Pack meds and carry-on. Delays strand checked bags. 5. Seat maps lie. Use this tool to avoid nightmare seats. Airline maps generic. Hide plane-specific quirks. 23A on 737 versus A320, totally different. Recline, window alignment, legroom. Avoid. Near galleys or bathrooms, noise, smells, temp swings, traffic. Over wing, less turbulence but blocked view or engine noise. Exit rows, extra legroom but emergency duties, must assist the door. Bulkhead, legroom but no underseat storage, fixed armrests. Secret weapon, seat guru. Input flight number, get color-coded real map from passenger reviews. For PIA or Emirates, check aircraft type, e.g. A320 versus 777. Huge differences. 4. Airport free perks trap you longer to make you spend. Free Wi-Fi tracks device fingerprint. Timer doesn't reset easily. USB ports, juice jacking risk. Malware steals data. Why offer? Keeps you in terminal. Buy $18 sandwich while free. Pro, own adapter plus VPN. Power bank, avoid public USB. 3. Passenger rights compensation. Demand cash, not vouchers. Delays, cancellations, overbooks, legal cash owed. US, involuntary bump up to $1,550 cash. EU 261, up to €600 plus meals and hotel. Airlines push vouchers, cheaper and expire. Magic words. Claim compensation under DOT/EU 261. Search rights pre-flight. Advocate yourself. 2. Overbooking and bumping. No rights to turn it into cash. Airlines oversell betting no-shows. Wrong? Bump. Volunteer first for best deals. Vouchers plus extras. Involuntary? Cash required by law. Refuse voucher. Demand full amount. The ultimate secret. Knowledge makes you powerful. Airlines thrive on uninformed passengers. Every secret here, from apps to rights, gives you leverage. Do homework. Check delays, seat maps, rights. You're not just flying, you're flying smarter.